It's the thought of being when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just when we fall we know how to land.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight. Just how to break, just with the right vibe, yeah. Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah. The wait is over, the time is not, so let's do it right. Yeah, we'll keep going and stay up until we see the sun. That we can keep the fire alive. Cause it's not over till the summer. Say one more time. Say,
I wanna dance, the music's got me going. Nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools.
Why, hello there friends, it's Emma here, the Bookish Princess. I hope you guys enjoyed this full-length edition of Permission to Dance at Walt Disney World. I of course posted a short for the Permission to Dance challenge, and the Bangtan TV YouTube channel put it in the official challenge highlights playlist, which was kind of extraordinary. Definitely one of the highlights of my 8 years on YouTube. During our trip, I filmed the challenge at a whole bunch of different locations at Walt Disney World. So I thought it'd be fun to do a longer version to include more of those clips. And of course, I was also filming for my usual Disney trip vlogs, so I sprinkled some of those in there as well as a kind of teaser of the Disney vlogs to come. I've been vlogging as a hobby for a while now, and I've gotten mostly used to filming in public, but dancing in public was kind of a new challenge. But hey, we don't need permission to dance, right? Anyway, if you'd like to see more of the clips you just saw in my upcoming Disney vlogs, make sure you're subscribed. I post brand new videos every single Friday about Disney and other things I love, BTS reactions, books, Animal Crossing, all sorts of lovely things. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bora hey!